Hello, let me introduce you to redesigned Elevator Center. The user is redirected to the devices page after successfully logging in. On the left side there is the drawer menu of the Elevator Center sections. This menu can be opened and closed by clicking on this double arrow icon in the bottom left corner. Next to this menu is a folders where you can see all created folders. To show or hide the folders, use this icon. Following is the path of the selected folder, which is currently the company. And in the middle of the content header there is search bar where the user can search by name, serial number or SIM number. The search is applied after clicking the search button. On the right there are buttons for Add Device and Add Folder. In the center of the screen there is the table with company added devices. So first, let's look at the folder list in more detail. I would like to select Prague folder, which I know is in region 2 of the Czech Republic. So I will expand folder Czech Republic, followed by region 2 and the Prague folder. As you can see, the selected folder, the path that shows the road, and the number of devices in this folder and all of its subfolders has changed. It is not necessary to select the folder to shrink or expand it. Now I want to relocate folder PHA Project 6 to folder Kladno and change its name. Open context menu, edit folder, change the name of the folder and its position in the structure, and save changes. The device folder has been successfully updated. To add subfolders to folder PHA Project 4, open the menu, click Add New Folder, and fill new folder name. Then confirm by clicking on the Create Folder button. The new device folder has been successfully created. To delete folders, open the folder menu, select Delete, and confirm it. The device folder has been successfully deleted. To add devices to a folder, open the menu, select Add New Device, after which devices can be added by filling out the device parameters. The position in the structure is pre-selected to be the folder from which the action was triggered. Other options to add devices is this button. Now the position is the path of the selected folder. In either case, it can be manually changed. The other main part of the devices page is the table with edit devices. Click this button to change the visibility of columns. The user can choose to show all columns, hide all, or view only certain ones. The first device name column and the last context menu cannot be altered. The user can also change the ordered columns by moving the column name header. Status will be the first, and signal string will be second. The width of the columns can be also changed. The user can select the number of rows per page, and move through the pages. Now I will select the folder Czech Republic. There are 1561 devices in this folder and all of its folders. When using the top search bar, the search is applied across columns device name, serial number, or SIM. filter device name is only applied to device name column. Now I want to view just EasyGate devices with specific firmware. I will select device type filter and the firmware version filter. There is 159 devices in this folder matching this filter. And the same, but for the product folder. When changing the selected folder, the filter stays active. In Poland, there are 287 devices with this filter. And in Austria, there are 84 devices with this filter. To clear the filter, click here. Set the filter to see devices of EasyGate type in the Czech Republic with the status offline or unverified. Select Czech Republic. Set device type filter to EasyGate. And add new filter with status of offline or unverified. And apply. There are 82 devices that comply with this filter. This filter is also shown in the URL, which can be saved in the browser or shared according to the needs of the user. I will clear the filters, and I have some prepared rules here. Offline exists in Czech Republic. Offline exists in Austria. And all offline exists in Poland. That's it for Elevator Center introduction. Thank you.